and welcome to my channel. Today is the last look I will be doing with Sophie's palette, the Extra Spice. So if you want to know how the last look will turn out, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, the last look, and actually there are only two shades that I haven't used yet. Brownies and Chocolate Orange, so we are going to do something with that today. And yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, because typically a brown eyeshadow is not really my kind of thing, but that doesn't matter. We will just have fun with it. And yeah, as you can see, I have already applied the rest of my makeup, because today is just about the eyeshadow again. And I will list down in the description box what I used today on my face. For my lipstick, I can tell you it's the color Serum from Sophie's line. I really like the lipsticks, and we'll get started. I'm trying some things out about how I show you guys how I achieve my look. The first one was slightly different, and I actually like that, because there I tell you what I do and I don't really use a long piece that I fast forward. So maybe I'm going to do that again today. So where are we going to start? We are going to start with, I do want a little bit of color. So I think I am going to start with, I think Vitamin C as my transition color. You don't have to, of course. If you don't want the yellow to show through, you could always take cookie dough or cheesecake, or just use the chocolate orange as your transition shade with a really fluffy brush, and that way you can really sheer it out. But yeah, I'm going to start with Vitamin C on my Primark 220, and I will be placing it high again as a little bit of a colorful transition shade. So here we go. And don't forget to tap off the excess. And the color is really sheer, but I don't mind. That's actually the look I was going for, so that's okay. And we can always build it up if we want to. For now, I am going to do the other eye. So both eyes are done. Next color. I am taking my Leico number 26. It's just a fluffy brush like this one, but as you can see, it is a lot smaller. This is a synthetic one. This is one with real hair, but it doesn't really matter. It's just the shape that I want to use today. And we are going to go into the color Chocolate Orange. And the placement will be lower than the yellow, but above the crease. You can see by the placement of my shadow, most of the color is concentrated here, because today I want to create a little bit of a, well, wing type shape eye shadow. As you can also see here, the line is really thin, so I do want to bring it up a little bit higher. It did go on a little bit patchy, the chocolate orange, I have to say. You can blend it out nicely. And it is a really pigmented color, so I'm going to blend it out in a minute with the first brush that I used. But for now, first I'm going to do the other eye. So I have the brown on both eyes, and now I'm going to blend. That was the word I was looking for. I'm going to blend the edges of the brown. Oh God. I'm using the first brush I used, the Primark 220. So that is one eye blended, and unfortunately the yellow is a bit gone, so I want to add a little bit of yellow again on top of the above the brown. So I'm going to do that before I'm going to do the other eye, so you can see how it looks. The placement is just above the brown, so you get a little bit of orange and then a little bit of yellow. That's the idea. Yes, that is better. I don't know if it translates in camera, but I just want a subtle yellow. And when I look in the mirror, there is a subtle yellow. It's really subtle, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so both eyes are done, and I am taking my Maybelline 234. It's a flat brush. It's not really a packing brush, I think. Well, maybe it is, I don't know, but it's just a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to run the chocolate orange a little bit underneath my lash line to smoke it out and connect the colors a little bit. And I'm just using the tip of the brush. Okay, so this was the idea, and now I will do the other eye. Okay, I am going to smoke it out a little bit so to not have such a sharp line on the sides. And again with my Primark 220. So that is the look now. The only color well, we haven't used yet is the color Brownies, so we are going to do that now. I am taking my Maybelline 230. I'm going to take the color Brownies, the dark brown, and deepen up the outer V and probably bring it a little bit into the crease. But I'm not sure yet. But that's probably what will be happening eventually. Something like that, I think. No, we're not done yet. I'm going to deepen up this part of my eye as well with the same color and the same brush. So this is it, and as you saw, I brought the color in a little. I didn't put any extra on my brush. I just pulled it from the edge in to create just a hint of that color. And this is what it looks like now. So I'm happy with it, and I'm going to do the other eye. So this is what it looks like now, and I am going to blend it out a little bit. It's very difficult to talk today for me. But I'm going to blend it out a little bit to soften it up. And again, I'm using my Primark 220 for that. So this is, well, that's done actually. And yeah, I know it's not perfect, but you know, perfect is boring. It's perfect enough for me. What I do want to do is use the Brownies underneath my lash line, and for that I am taking a pencil brush. It's just your, can you see? And running the color Brownies underneath my lower lash line as well. So that's done as well, and you can leave it like this if you want it. It's pretty, it's very pretty. Just add mascara and if you want false lashes, and then you're done. But I want to add a little extra color, so I'm going to add a little bit of LA Sun just here because, well, it cheers me up. So I am going to take a small detail brush, if I can find one, because not everyone has a sponge tip applicator and I just don't want to do it with my fingers. So I'm taking a small detail brush. This is the Maybelline 237. I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. This is the MAC Fix Plus, but you can also use water, it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to add the LA Sun to my mobile lid. This cheers me up. So I just put it all over the mobile lid, and I am going to blend it into the brown a little bit later, but first I'm going to add the LA Sun to my other eye. I do have to spray my brush again so that it will pick up everything and apply. As you can see, it applies really, really well with a wet brush, so no problem if you don't have a sponge tip applicator. So this is it. What I do want to do now, of course I do, is add some LA Sun underneath my lash line. This is the Maybelline 317, and it's just an angled brush. I'm going to spray this one as well, and then I'm going to put the LA Sun on my bottom lash line to bring it all together. So both eyes are done at the bottom. What I do want to do is add just a touch of the brownie, the dark brownie here, so that it all ties together nicely. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the brush we used with the color, the 230 from Maybelline, the small one, and I'm going to do that now. So that is it. And I have a scar here, so my eyeshadow is always wonky on this side, but it doesn't matter. Do I have fallout? Let me check. No, I don't have any fallout, so I am happy with that. This is the look so far. And yeah, I'm going to go I'm going to put on some mascara and I will be right back. So guys, I added some mascara. So if you only use mascara, this is the look. I did not use a volumizing mascara because I got another one because I wear false lashes a lot. If I have really volumizing mascara, it just it doesn't show up, so I got the cheapest one that I could find. It's one by Essence, All Eyes on Me. It's this one, it's the waterproof. And yeah, it is a nice mascara. It doesn't give me any volume, but then again, I don't need it because I wear false lashes. So again, this is the look without lashes and just mascara. And I kind of like it. So yeah, if this is where you want to leave it, that's just fine. You could add mascara on your lower lashes if you want. Yeah, I'm just going to add some false lashes and then I will be right back again. So guys, lashes are on and this is the finished look. For lashes, I used the Wispy Lashes by W7. And yeah, these are also going strong for about a week, so I'm pretty happy. I just added some black eye pencil to my waterline, a little bit of how do you call it, gel eyeliner on my upper waterline, because that's the only thing that will stay on my eyes when I'm wearing lenses. And yeah, this was the final look with Sophie's palette, the Extra Spice palette that she did in collaboration with Makeup Revolution. We used all the colors and yeah, I am really happy with this palette and the looks that I can create. So yeah guys, I hope you liked all the looks. If you have any ideas for another look using this palette, leave them down below, because I will be more than happy to recreate it for you. And yeah, do you have the palette? Do you like the palette? Are you getting the palette? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget the little bell so you will be notified when I upload my next video, which will be very soon. And yeah, I hope I will see you in the next one, and I wish you all a great day. Bye guys.